Hello again, Linux fans. As a follow-up to my video yesterday about installing Linux onto a VM, I will now today like to show you how to get that ISO onto your downloads folder to begin with. So today let's see how to do that. So here we go. We are at our Windows 11 desktop here. And we can open up whatever browser we want. In this case, I'm just going to pick Google Chrome because everybody has it pretty much. And you're going to want to go to Linux Mint. Okay, and you can see it right there, Linux Mint Download. You're going to click on that. And you see, that's the linuxmint.com download website. You click on this and you can see we're on 22.2, which is good. It's what we want. Okay, you click on here, you see Linux Mint 22.2, codename Zara. Oh, you have a lot of choices here. You could download it, you could find out about the project, there's different links here. You could donate because again, this is all user supported. There's no big company behind Linux. I want to make this quick and easy. So what I'm going to do is you come down here. We want the Cinnamon Edition, which is a sleek, modern, innovative browser. Okay, not browser version of Linux. We're going to click on. You could also get it in the XFCE if you want a little lighter duty on your machine, and of course some Mate. I heard these are good too, but this is the best in my opinion. So let's go ahead and click download. Okay, it'll give us a bunch of stuff here. Okay, this is if you want to check and authenticate that it's verified. We'll get into that a little later. But right now I want to get into how to actually get that image. You see different download mirrors here. These are all the places where it's available. Okay, I like to think I'm a loyal American, so I like to stick to the USA. And I almost went to Clarkson University. I didn't quite, but I was accepted there. So the school I went to isn't located on here. So I'm just going to pick Clarkson. You click on that, and you see it coming up here. So you want to get the status of the download. Okay, you see here, it's going to be a while. So basically, I'm going to sort of cut off here and come back when we're closer to being done. And we'll pick it up then. Okay, we're going to get back to our video here. If we check the progress of our download, we see we have about 3 minutes left. It took quite a while to download. Now, some of these points of distribution go really, really quickly. I downloaded one a couple of days ago. Took me maybe 5 minutes. This one took a good 40 minutes. So it can vary greatly depending on internet traffic and a lot of other factors how long it takes to download. This is you could see by watching that time go up and down that the transmission speed's pretty wobbly here. But we can't really close the browser because then it'll stop the download, as we all know. So we just have to kind of sit patiently and wait for it to finish, and then we'll get to what we do next, which is going to be pretty much take this file from our downloads folder and load it into the VM as per my other video. So we're just going to, right here, we're watching it, you see, got a full progress report right here. We got 2 whole minutes left. So we're just going to sit here to the end and take it from there. See, if I try to close the browser, I get this. And I don't want to exit because then it'll abort my download and I'll waste all my time. So I'm going to check continue downloading, and here we go. This is my download screen. There's my browser screen. Okay, I don't need that open, but I could watch it here also. Ooh, a minute left. Okay, we're cooking. 2.8 gigabytes out of 2.8 gigabytes. So we're within 1/10 of a gigabyte here. So we're doing good. Now again, it's wobbling back and forth. That means the transmission speed's going kind of wanky. Can't abort yet. Gotta wait it out. Cool thing is, after the minute mark, then it'll start going down to seconds. Then it's fun. Yep, here we go. Seconds. So now we get to count down the seconds. When they start reversing themselves, it's funny. 49, 52, and back up to a minute. I love the way Windows is kind of wonky like this. If you set your watch to it, you wouldn't know what century you were in. So now we're 12, 11, 12, 10, 9. Okay, we're almost down to the countdown here. So we're going to just watch and keep it going here. And when it finishes, bingo, done. Okay, so now we could close this out. Hopefully we could close our browser out. If you want to verify it, you could follow these directions here. Okay, that would be good if you really wanted to, be secure and you were doing this for a production machine. We're not. We're doing this for an academic exercise. So I just want to rush to the fun stuff. But that would be the next thing I would do if you were doing this for real. Now we could close our browser window out. And if we go to this PC, you notice if we go to our system, okay, and we go to downloads, right here, look what we got right there. Linux Mint 22.2 Cinnamon 64-bit ISO. And this is now the file that we use in the other video to load into our VM. So take care, everybody, and thanks for watching.